Time to make some man glitter. So this first resurface run that I'm doing at a feed rate of 100. All of the depths is carved at 0.02 per pass, and that's also the total depth. I really wanted to put the machine to the test. My old machine, I would have ran it at 100 feed rate. This one, I really wanted to see what it was capable of doing, so I pushed it. The feed rate of 100 took about 40 minutes to finish. So I did it again at 300. This one's at 300. Carve time on that one's about 19 minutes. Had a step over of 20%. And then I pumped it up even more. I did 3 passes on the Spoilboard to resurface it. The last one I did right here was at 425 feed rate with a step over of 30%. That one, total carve time to do was 9 minutes. I was happy with that one. Honestly, could have pumped it up even faster. This machine is strong. Obviously, I'm just resurfacing MDF, so it's super soft. But yeah, this machine's no joke. Ugh. Mamma mia. Next up will be installing the vacuum. But the Spoilboard is done. And we are ready to start carving.